In today's video, we are going to show you how to completely remove pCloud Drive from your computer. Now, this works for both Windows and Mac OS, and we will share a quick tip to prevent pCloud from automatically remounting. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you opened the pCloud on your computer, I want you to go to your account and I want you to log out. All right. This is important because this prevents pCloud Drive from remounting itself later. Once you've done that, okay, I want you to force quit the app itself. All right. So if you are using a task manager, you can simply end the task itself. Now, on your File Explorer, the search button, I want you to type in Control Panel and click the programs because we are going to uninstall. All right. As you can see, I have my pCloud Drive here. So search for it. If you can't find, right click and there is an option that says uninstall. Now from here, all I have to do is super simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, once it's complete, congratulations, you have now successfully removed pCloud Drive from your computer. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to remove pCloud Drive. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.